And hello YouTubers again. This is a follow-up video to digging the trench across the driveway, and this one I backfilled it. Those are 3-inch conduits that I'm going to run control cables and coaxial cable through to my tower from the radios, and that black cable in there is 7/8 inch hard line. Very expensive coax, very low loss at high frequencies, and unfortunately I kinked it when I was stretching it out in the trench. The cable was pretty cold and stiff, and I think I ruined it. And then I managed to even rip the shield? No, not the shield. The cover. I managed to rip the cover so it's going to get water infused and not be of much value, I guess, in a few months. And it was only $400 worth of cable. So anyway, live and learn. I should have run it through the conduit, but it's so stiff. I thought that was going to be really difficult. Anyway, this is the first trench I've backfilled, so I'm still learning the machine, and it went pretty well. If I had it to do over again, I probably should have switched buckets to the grading bucket. Well, maybe not. I don't know. I'm trying to tamp the soil back down, compact it, and as vehicles have run over the filled trench, I've got quite a dip there, so I got to put some more material on top of that. So again, raw video, so just watch. Enjoy me playing with my toy. Bye.